Hello everyone, my name is Trevor. I'm an ordinary Triple M BSc member from Masvingo, Zimbabwe. Today I want to congratulate all Triple M BSc participants on reaching 1 year anniversary with Triple M BSc Ethereum block system. I joined Triple M BSc on the 13th of November 2019, and I provided help of $10 packs. My previous provide help was of $10 packs on 18 May 2020, and got help was on the 22nd of May 2020, and everything has been phasing smoothly. I was introduced to Triple M BSc by a friend, Jay Ano, who is passionate about Triple M BSc. My thoughts on Triple M BSc are that this is the best Triple M BSc ever. Reaching 1 year with no problems tells us a lot.
All information is above board. There's also my favorite, which is the jackpot fund, which is generated from 2% of every provider help in the system. This fund ensures no one loses their funds in MMM-BSc because they'll be paid from this fund. Also, maintenance costs and salaries are paid from this fund. They are generated, as I said, from the 2% of every provider help in the system. This jackpot fund guarantees that the system does not collapse, and the people who join last are refunded their monies from this jackpot fund. This is one of my favorite interventions by MMM-BSc to safeguard the system. Long live MMM-BSc.